Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be looking into Terraform workspaces. At the end of this video we will also do a short demo on implementing workspace in your Terraform repository. So what is Terraform workspace? In Terraform there is a state file which holds all the information about the infrastructure. Suppose if you want to make sure your stage and prod state files are completely separate, then in that case you could make use of Terraform workspaces. Terraform Workspace provides a separation of your infrastructure state files. You can also create multiple workspaces in a single backend. Terraform has a default workspace named default, which you can see using Terraform Workspace list command. You can create new workspace using Terraform Workspace new and the workspace name. So for now I'm creating a workspace named sharded-sru-prod. It creates the workspace and switches to it. If you list the workspace, Terraform Workspace list command, you can see our workspace has been created, and also you can notice the asterisk, which means we are currently switched to that workspace. You could do the same for dev workspace and do a Terraform Workspace list command, and you can see we have switched to dev workspace now. Now in order to reference the workspace into your code, you would use $curly braces, and inside that you would write terraform.workspace, which resolves to your current workspace name. So for now I've written terraform workspace -web, so which will resolve to sharded-sru dev-web. Now if we do our Terraform plan and see the name of the VM, then the name of the VM is sharded-sru-dev, which came from our current workspace name, and -web is appended to it. Suppose if we switch to another workspace using Terraform Workspace select command, and try to run Terraform plan again, then the name would be changed to sharded-sru-prod -web. So that's all on workspaces. See you next time.